Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Josh with JC Fitness, and we have another tutorial today for you. So today we're going to be talking about, or I'll be showing you some handstand push-ups. Okay, so maybe you've been working on your handstands, or maybe even, working on your handstand push-up progressions. That might mean like you've gone through your pike push-ups, elevated pike push-ups, maybe you tried some handstands or handstand push-ups against the wall, facing the wall, away from the wall, and now you're just you'd like to branch out into like a freestanding handstand push-up, and this is quite a feat. Okay, so we're gonna want to get into your handstand, and then we're going to go down into your headstand. So you want to go like at an angle. Okay. So pretty basic. You're getting into your tripod headstand there, right? Like that. So remember when we placed our focus right there, you made a little triangle with your hands and then focus your eyes. That's where you want to aim for. That's where you want to go. You don't want to go straight down in between your hands. You want to go out a little bit to make your little headstand, right? Like that. That's the angle you want to go down, right? Okay. So when you come back, you just push back up, straighten up. Yeah? Sure. Okay, so when you're coming back up from the headstand, what you want to do is shift your weight back onto the palm of your hands and then push up. So just as a recap, remember you always need to keep your body tight, keep your core engaged, your toes pointed. Your body will be much lighter if it's just one connection, just moving, this way or that way. Instead of, if it's limp, then you have to put more effort. That's why the banana handstand, you can, but it's so much more effort. Whereas if you have a straight handstand, all you have to do is just push a little bit. And push like that. Yeah? When you're doing handstand, when you go down at an angle, right? And then you shift your weight back on the palms of your hands and push back up. Yeah? Go down at an angle, head down, and then drop your weight a little bit and go back up. Okay, so that's it for me for now. I'd appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for new videos, or if this has helped you out any. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.